YouTube, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. In today's video, we gotta check up on our Ember out, getting our free Bitcoin on, mining free Bitcoin. Let's go on and check out where we are at right now. We are currently at 29,205 on the Bitcoin rewards. That's in Satoshis. Excuse me. But overall, this is what I wanted to talk about. The index. It's looking like the index is kind of like picking up storm. I just been putting in like $25 in each week, or sometimes I think I have skipped a week, but since I've been on the app, I have been putting a little money in, $15, $20, $25 in weekly. I haven't been contributing a whole lot of money, but overall, I just wanted to get in here and just take a look at everything, because if you look at the yearly chart, you can tell that it did have a peak, and this was November 26th. But right now, you see is that it's kind of like where it started at. Well, if you look at all, it kind of where it was at June 25th. So if time would tell, if you just hold and continue to put money in, as you can tell right there, by the time December 1st come around, we're going to see what the chart is looking like. But so far, it's looking like it's about to do a repeat for the metaverse, so I wanted to bring that up. Also, looking at the Ember DeFi index, once you look at all, it's lower than what it started at. It started somewhere here in January 9th, well, January 1st. But if you look at the top of May 6th, you'll see that's when it was at its peak. But we got some time until May come around. But overall, I just wanted to give some highlight over these two indexes that I'm invested in right now. And if you're not invested in Ember, just think about this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just pull it up so I can read it properly to you. I think I might need to just favorite this so I can just pull it up immediately. Yeah, let me go in and heart this. So, if you don't know what Ember app is, let me read it to you. So, to earn Bitcoin, your mining will stop after 24 hours, after which you will no longer be earning Bitcoin. To continue earning, revisit the app and turn it back on. Boost your rate by investing in a portfolio or referring a friend to Ember using your referral link. For each friend you refer, your rate will increase by 2.5 Satoshis an hour, while you both are earning simultaneously. Please note you aren't mining Bitcoin on this device with your device's computing power. Instead, Ember's Bitcoin mining rewards program is a fun way to earn Satoshis when you open the app every day. Also note, users aren't allowed to refer themselves, one account per person. I mean, if you have like a phone or a tablet, you can use two different emails and send a referral yourself, but you can't use the same email on two different devices. And if you want to use my link, that link will be in the first link in the description down below. And once you do set up either on wallet or home, you're just gonna click this setting button at the top, and you're gonna enter the access code that's right underneath that link that says access code M something. I think mine, and it don't even show, but I think mine started with an M. It started with an M right there. But yeah, and you just put that in, and then we both start earning 2.5 Satoshis. I need to put my tablet to work, so let me turn my tablet on right now so y'all can see how this works. So right now I'm only earning 10 Satoshis an hour, but once you have people join you, you get to earn more Satoshis an hour. Okay, so now I just started mining Bitcoin on my tablet. Now you see it's 10. I click boost, go back. I don't know how. Dang, that's kind of crazy. It just boosted me up to 22.25. I guess it now. Oh, okay. I know why. Yeah, I know why. I guess when I do that, everything boosts back up. So, sound like it's really heavily. It's heavily reliant on my tablet, my Satoshi hour rate. So, when I'm earning 2.5 or 10 or something low, I said something twice. When I'm earning Satoshis low, I need to make sure my tablet is running as well. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I just want to get in here and talk about this. And I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Way is out. Peace.